ServiceM8 client records can be used as a convenient storage location to hold information which might be useful on multiple or future jobs expected to be undertaken for the same client. Information might include a simple note, like a really bad dog, technical information, or possibly site data. The types of information which can be stored on a client is almost unrestricted. We can attach standard documents, CAD drawings, photographs, and now even videos. Although these amazing features are available on any job, the added benefit of adding the data to a client record is the flow through to all related jobs. We start the process by selecting the client from the Client tab. When the tab opens, we'll have a list of all of our clients. And of course, we're able to use the exceptional ServiceM8 search features by typing in virtually anything we know about that client to find them. Once the client record is identified, open that client record, and you might start by doing something very simple, such as typing a note. Save that note. Or you may wish to attach a file by attach a file, navigate to that file, and then attach the file to the job. That same fundamental process of adding file attachments has also been used on this client record to upload a straightforward photograph which has been stored on our system, and we're also uploading a video against the file. We close the client record, and now that information will be available on all existing and all future jobs which relate to that client. Whether we're opening an existing job or starting a brand new job that relates to that client, the information that we loaded into the client diary will then immediately appear within the job diary. We can see, of course, the document that's been loaded against it. We can even play the video that's been uploaded from the client record to the job record. Or we can look at photographs. The diary entries being generated from the client diary are as of right now. Whatever sits in the client diary now will populate all previous jobs and will also populate all future jobs. So if we change the client diary now, those changes will be reflected on the current and previous jobs immediately. To illustrate, if we go back to that client record and modify the data that's maintained within the client diary, I can delete records, and I might add a new record. Closing that record and going back to my dispatch board to review the jobs. The job we looked at previously is now reflecting the changes we made within the client diary. Client level notes can be added in the field via the mobile app. From the jobs list, select the More option in the lower right-hand corner, then select Clients. From the client list, search for the desired client. When the client record is displayed, scroll down to the client diary. When the client diary opens, you'll have access to all of the notes that have been recorded on the client diary via the dispatch screen. We can also add additional comments now from the mobile app by selecting the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select Text Note, enter your note, save your note, and that's it. Your note's been added to the client diary and will now appear on all future jobs related to this client.